Welcome to the first ever Financial Interest Awards. We've got 18 different awards up for grabs in the world of personal finance and investing, from the best investment platform to Financial Influencer of the Year, with some awards chosen by ourselves and some picked by you, the general public. But before we get started, it's important to talk about why we're doing this. And the reason is simple: trust. You might not know this, but awards are generally a sham. They're sold to the highest bidder, or whoever buys the most seats at an awards dinner, or whoever spends the most on advertising. But that's not how we operate. Financial companies can't pay us for sponsorship, they can't pay us to change our opinions, and they can't pay to win awards. And we won't give out prizes based on who we think will share them on their social media. So we wanted to launch awards that you can actually trust. And here we are, the inaugural Financial Interest Awards 2025, specifically timed for the new tax year. Nothing in this video should be considered as financial advice, these are just our opinions and we are not financial advisors. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into the first category, the best low-cost broker in 2025. For this award, it's fairly obvious how we were going to judge it. There are many potential costs included when using a broker, so the simple question is, which is the best investing platform that's focused on being cheap to use? With 0 account fees, 0 trading fees, no deposit or withdrawal fees, and a very competitive 0.15% FX fee, the winner of the best low-cost broker in 2025 is Trading 212. Next up, our second award, which is for the best fund platform, given to the platform offering a cost-effective way to invest into traditional mutual funds. So, seeing as we wanted to find the broker that allows you to invest into mutual funds in the most cost-effective way, when we were doing our research, there was only one broker that stood out from the rest. You'll pay no account opening fee or ongoing account fees, meaning the only charge you will incur is the £5 dealing fee for every fund trade you make. If you have a larger balance, this is significantly cheaper than paying something like a 0.35% annual account fee, or higher. Although this platform isn't the nicest to use or the most modern, the fact it's so cheap makes it really stand out as the best fund platform winner in 2025. And that winner is iWeb. Speaking of funds, our next category is looking at the best ETF platform for more modern, exchange-traded funds that you can trade in real time. Our pick has combined the low-cost aspect of iWeb's offerings with a really user-friendly interface and wide selection of investments to choose from. Using this platform, you'll pay no account fees or commission on trades, meaning you'll only pay the fund fees associated with owning the fund, assuming you use a do-it-yourself investing account and choose your own investments. So, with all of that going for it, the winner of the best ETF platform in 2025 is InvestEngine. InvestEngine only offers ETFs, and they do it really well, keeping things nice and simple with low costs, making them a deserving winner in this category this year. We briefly spoke about do-it-yourself investing there, DIY investing for short, but what if you're looking to put your money away without having to manually pick and choose investments yourself? Well, this next award is for the best managed service. Seeing as they offer their services for a 0.25% fee per year at the time of these awards, which is the lowest on the market by some way, and you won't pay any other fees directly to the platform, the winner of Best Managed Service is, again, InvestEngine. Most other managed portfolios will charge you between 0.5% to 1.5% a year, whether that's a robo-advisor or a human-controlled actively managed service, and this seemingly small difference in cost can have a huge impact on your returns over a long-term investing period. Our next category is one that's focused on your future retirement, the best self-invested personal pension, or best SIPP. This SIPP offers shares and ETFs at a relatively low cost, especially when you're using a regular investing plan. Their mutual fund fees are competitive, and they offer everything you would want from a SIPP. Your employers can contribute, you can contribute company funds as a company director, you can transfer pensions in and out, and you can draw down your pension once you reach retirement too. With all of that said, the winner is AJ Bell. Now, stocks and shares ISAs offer you the ability to avoid paying capital gains tax on the returns you make inside of it, making it a must-have account for anyone investing in the UK. But which broker takes our top spot for the best stocks and shares ISA in 2025? This platform allows you to open and manage your account completely free of charge. You won't pay any commissions while using it, and you can earn a market-leading rate of interest on your uninvested cash. On top of that, it's a flexible ISA, meaning that you can withdraw and redeposit without affecting your yearly ISA limits, and you'll only need to pay 0.15% in FX fees if buying assets listed in foreign currencies. So, the winner of the Best Stocks and Shares ISA of the Year award is Trading 212. From one completely flexible ISA to another, our winner of the Best Cash ISA in 2025 gives you the same freedom to withdraw and deposit as often as you'd like without penalty. There are no drops in interest rate if you withdraw too many times, you don't have to keep your money locked up for a fixed period of time, withdrawals are fast, and the interest rates on offer are always at or near the top of the market, though interest rates are always subject to change. The winner of the Best Cash ISA award is, again, Trading 212. If this is the year you started a family, or if you decided you finally want to invest on behalf of your child, don't worry, we've got you covered with our next two awards. First up, we have the Best Junior ISA in 2025. For us, there was one clear winner in this category, mainly due to the fact that they offer a junior ISA which allows you to invest without paying any fees directly to them. This means no annual account fee, no trading fees, and no other fees to pay in general, regardless of whether you're investing in ETFs, UK shares, US shares, mutual funds, bonds, the whole shebang. And with a very reasonable £100 minimum deposit as a lump sum, or £25 per month, the winner of the Best Junior ISA in 2025 award goes to Hargreaves Lansdown. Not only do they have the most cost-effective junior stocks and shares ISA on the market, they are also one of the most reputable brokers in the UK, and a lot of customers like the fact that they offer customer support over the phone. Next up, our second and final award that's focused on children's accounts, it's our Best Junior SIPP Award 2025. Unfortunately, there isn't a completely free option like in the previous category, but the winner of this award does offer zero account fees and no trading fees when buying mutual funds, and relatively low trading commissions on other investments. And with a minimum investment of just £20 a month, Fidelity take our pick for the Best Junior SIPP in 2025. These next two awards are for the best lifetime ISAs, but seeing as you can have either a lifetime cash ISA or a lifetime stocks and shares ISA, we thought we'd break it down into two. So first up, the best lifetime stocks and shares ISA in 2025. Our winner was fairly straightforward, as they make it really accessible for new investors and have very low fees unless you hold a large amount of money in the account, which is quite hard to do with a £4,000 annual deposit limit at the time of recording. This platform offers an attractive interest rate on uninvested cash, so you could even use this account as a sort of lifetime cash ISA if you wanted to, but then keep the option to move into a range of stocks and funds should you wish to invest. And for those reasons, AJ Bell Doddle are our choice for the Best Lifetime Stocks and Shares ISA Award in 2025. In terms of the Best Lifetime Cash ISA, our winner has a very competitive interest rate on offer, the second largest on the market at the time of recording. But why would we pick the second best interest rate as the winner here? Well, you see, the highest interest rate that you can currently get actually significantly decreases after 12 months, with over a 1% drop in rates. Our winner doesn't offer limited time promotional rates, intentionally so, promising to maintain a good interest rate at all times, regardless of if you're a new or existing customer. And if you stay long term and assuming rates stay competitive, this could well be the best long term rate on the market. Our winner of the Best Lifetime Cash ISA is Tembo. Time to switch things up a little bit. Our next category actually has nothing to do with fees or specific features on offer, and that's because this award goes to the platform providing the best investing experience. When looking into the candidates for this award, there were many brokers that offered a clean and user-friendly experience, a slick and intuitive app to use, or an enjoyable desktop experience. But there was one platform that stood out as feeling amazing to use across all devices, and that was Lightyear, making them the official winners of the Best Investing Experience Award for 2025. Moving on now, we have the first award that was decided by public vote, and that's the Public Choice Award. This award goes to the best investing platform as decided by the public. Polls have been running on the Damien Talks Money YouTube channel with over 10,000 votes coming in to decide this award. It started with 8 shortlisted brokers pitted against each other, with the top 2 of each semi-final heading into the final vote. And eventually one broker won it by an absolute landslide. I'm happy to announce that the winner of the Public Choice Award for 2025 goes to Trading 212. Our second award that was decided by the public, again via a poll on Damien Talks Money, was the Fund Provider of the Year award. This is given to the fund provider that offers high quality funds, good value, diversity in options, and more. And the Fund Provider of the Year award goes to Vanguard. We're just a couple of awards away from the big ones now. Best Investing Platform and Financial Influencer of the Year. And we're starting with the Best for Large Portfolios award. And for this, we were looking for the best value for money platform if you have a pretty sizable chunk of money invested with them. Our winner has a flat fee model that doesn't charge you more as your portfolio grows, unlike with a percentage-based model, and you can get free trading credits to remove some trading commissions. They have loads of different account types on offer, giving you the option to store a lot of money across a lot of different accounts, both for yourself and on behalf of your kids too. So our winner of the Best for Large Portfolios award goes to Interactive Investor. The next award is for the platform that offers the best experience to active investors. So if you're an eager, serious investor, no casuals allowed. And if you like to buy and sell stocks on a somewhat regular basis, then this one is for you. This platform offers exceptional execution on trades, affordable fees, and advanced analytical tools. Taking home the Best for Active Investors award in 2025 is Interactive Brokers, also known as IBKR. We wanted to create a set of awards to celebrate not just the platforms that we use or the investment options we have, but the people who help us learn more about personal finance. And this next award is one we're really proud of, Financial Influencer of the Year. This goes to the person that has made the biggest impact in the world of financial content over the past 12 months. And for this award, there is only one winner. Damien Talks Money. Just kidding, we've actually given the award to basically the only person that could win it. Whether you agree with them or disagree with them, love or hate them, it's undeniable that no one else comes close in terms of the influence they've had in this space over the last year. He'd probably get 500,000 views if he just uploaded a video of him sat in silence. So the winner is Gary Stevenson. Looking past politics, as that's not really something we get into here at Financial Interest, Gary, via his channel, Gary's Economics, offers simple lessons that help you learn the basics of finance. And it's clear to see why he's caught the attention of millions of viewers and even the UK government with what he's teaching. For our final award, we have the biggest hitter. The award that takes into account everything that you could be looking for in a broker, and that's the Best Investing Platform Award for 2025. This takes everything into account. The fees you'll pay and the features you'll have access to, the suitability regardless of if you're a small beginner investor or a long-term investor with a big portfolio. Our pick offers a competitive stocks and shares ISA, general investment account, junior stocks and shares ISA, and lifetime ISA, all while offering what we believe to be the best SIPP on the market at this point in time. With all of that in mind, AJ Bell takes the crown of Financial Interest's Best Investing Platform in 2025. Congratulations to them and to all of our award winners. Did you agree or disagree with our picks? We'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below.